Hello everyone, welcome back to E-Classes of Statistics Standard 11. In this video, we are going to begin new topic, that is measures of positional average. There are four measures of positional average and they are median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles. We'll study about all four in detail. Let's start. Let's read the meaning of median. The value of the observation located exactly in the middle in the sequence of observations arranged in ascending or descending order of their magnitude is called the median of the data. It is denoted by symbol M. That means median is the middle score in the distribution when the numbers have been arranged into numerical order from either highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Like the mean, the median is the numerical representation of the center of the data set and can be used with intervals. So here m is equals to value of n plus 1 upon 2 observation. Here n is equals to number of observation. Let's have a look on formulas of median. We all know that there are two types of data, ungrouped data and grouped data. For ungrouped data, the formula of median is n plus 1 upon 2. And here n is number of observations. In grouped data, there are two types of distribution, discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. So the formula for discrete frequency distribution is n plus 1 upon 2, where n is sigma f, that means sum of frequency. In continuous frequency distribution, the formula for median is m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into C, where L is lower boundary of median class, n is total frequency or sigma f, Cf is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, f is frequency of median class, C is class length of median class. Now let's have a look on meaning of quartiles. The quartiles are the values of the observation which divide the sequence of observations of data arranged in ascending or descending order of their magnitudes into four equal parts. There are three quartiles and they are denoted by the symbols Q1, Q2 and Q3. So we can say that a quartile divides a data set into four equal parts, so that each part represents 1/4 of the data set. Here you can see that quartile is equals to j n plus 1 upon 4. J is 1, 2, 3. And it is clear that Q2 is equals to second quartile is equals to median. That means Q2 is equals to median. And here you can see Q1 is less than or equals to Q2, Q2 is less than or equals to Q3. Now let's understand the meaning of deciles. The deciles are the values of observations which divide the observations of the data arranged in ascending or descending order of their magnitudes into 10 equal parts. There are 9 deciles and they are denoted by symbols D1, D2, D3 and up to Dn. So deciles means which divide the observation into 10 equal parts, that is called decile. And the formula of decile is j n plus 1 upon 10th observation. J can be 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So here you have to be clear with one point, and it is very important, that is d phi is considered as Q2 and is equals to median. D phi is equals to Q2 is equals to median. They all are same. D phi, Q2, median, all are same. And the last point, D1 is less than or equals to D2, D2 is less than or equals to D3 and so on up to D9. So we are clear with the meaning of quartiles and deciles. Now let's have a look on the formulas of quartile and decile. Here we are having a look on formulas of quartiles. So we have ungrouped data and grouped data. For ungrouped data, the formula of quartile is j n plus 1 upon 4, where j is 1, 2, 3 and n is total number of observations. Now coming to grouped data, so we have to find Q1, Q2, Q3 for discrete frequency distribution. So Q1 can be taken out with the help of formula n plus 1 upon 4 observation. Q2 is equals to median. So here you can see the formula is also same, that is n plus 1 upon 2 observation. Q2 can be 2 n plus 1 upon 4. That gives you result n plus 1 upon 2. So it is as same as median. Now coming to Q3, as it is quartile 3, you have to write 3 n plus 1 upon 4. So this way you can find Q1, Q2, Q3 for discrete frequency distribution, and n everywhere is sigma f, that means sum of frequency. Now continuous frequency distribution. If you have to find first quartile, that is L plus n by 4 minus Cf upon f into C. If you have to find third quartile, that is Q3 is equals to L plus 3 n by 4 minus Cf upon f into C. And you must be thinking, where is Q2? Q2 means median. The formula we studied for the continuous frequency distribution of median, that will be same formula for Q2 in continuous frequency distribution. So here it is not given. Now let's study about formula of deciles. Formula for deciles. So for ungrouped data, it is d is equals to j n plus 1 upon 10th observation, and j can be 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and n is total number of observations. For grouped data in discrete frequency distribution, the formula for decile is j n plus 1 upon 10th observation, and j can be 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And here n can be total frequency, that means sum of frequency. And in continuous frequency distribution, the formula for decile is dj is equals to L plus j n by 10 minus Cf upon f into C. And here j can be 1, 2, 3 up to 9. But it has to be divided by 10, n by 10. As deciles means 10 equal parts, so divide by 10. Now let's read the meaning of percentile. The percentiles are the values of the observations which divide the observations of the data arranged in ascending or descending order of their magnitudes into 100 equal parts. There are 99 percentiles. They are denoted as P1, P2, P3 up to P99. So the formula for percentiles is j n plus 1 upon 100th observation. Why it is divided by 100? Because it is divided into 100 equal parts. Here j can be 1, 2, 3 up to 99. So here again you have to remember this point. P25 is equals to Q1, P50 is equals to D5, Q2 is equals to M. P75 is considered Q3, P10 is D1, P20 is D2. So these are the things to be remember. Here you can see P1 is less than or equals to P2, P2 is less than or equals to P3, and so on up to P99. Now let's have a look on the formulas of percentiles. So here are the formulas for percentiles. Ungrouped data and grouped data. For ungrouped data, the formula is j n plus 1 divided by 100, and j can be 1, 2, 3 up to 99, and n is total number of observations. Now in grouped data, the formula in discrete frequency distribution is j n plus 1 upon 100th observation, where j can be 1, 2, 3 up to 99, and n is sum of frequency, that means total frequency. In continuous frequency distribution, the formula is percentile is equals to L plus j n by 100 minus Cf upon f into C. Here j is 1, 2, 3 up to 99. So it is divided by 100 as percentage is in 100. So here we have completed measures of positional average, which were median, quartiles, deciles and percentile. Looking this picture will be more clear about the concept of median, quartiles and deciles. Median is divided into two equal parts, and what is the center point, that is median. As it is divided in two equal parts, it is 1 by 2. Quartile is divided into 4 equal parts, and Q2 describes its center point. Decile is divided into 10 equal parts, and D5 is its center point. And percentile is divided into 100 equal parts, so it can be said 1 by 100. So here we are clear with all 4 measures of positional average, that is median, quartile, deciles and percentiles. In our next video, we are going to do sums related to median, quartile, deciles and percentile. Till then, revise the formulas and be clear with that. Thank you.